Carlisle. On the ground there is Andy. He is telling me where to go. I think he's going to send me back. I'll come at this completely cockeyed. Happy. So we have a man on the ground that helps talk to him through his hand signals, lets me know what is straight and what is not. As we creep up these cars. Yes, let's think of the forklift. Normally what we try and do is we try and pair up the same engine and car, but that is not quite forward for us this time. We have a Ford, I think it's a Focus and a Civic. So we try to match the engines from visually what they look like, that we sit in the engines very slightly different. So when we set them out, we thought this was straight. Okay. I think that is as good as it's going to be. This is all to make sure that we fly level so we can land level. As you can see, Andy giving me various signals. People of Carlisle, do you want to see some damage? Oh no, did you say no? Okay! Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Just making sure the big piece alright, and I'm rather hoping that you say it's not, but it does stop. Good news! This piece goes again! So I'm just going to clear the spark up there. And now, it is the Reaper time! Oh, well, Andy's almost. Well, you asked for the damage and we have brought it for you here today. Now let me try and explain what we're doing with the forklift. The designs of cars now, believe it or not, the roof isn't attached to the sides of the car. The sides now have become considerably stronger and effectively the road base for the cars. So what we have is what we've done here is the roof has collapsed into the car, like the sides of the car is stayed up. And what this means is we could get, well, number one, we could get trapped and have the car as a little roller skate wrapped around the wheel, or even worse, we could have a puncture. So please bear with us whilst we have a quick readjustment, because when I tell you the price of these tyres, you'll understand why we're doing this. The tyres, each tyre on this piece is valued at £8,500.